Do you need more room in your home or business, but you're not ready to take on a larger mortgage or rent? A 10 by 10 storage unit may be just what you need. Similar in size to a small bedroom, the storage unit is approximately 10 feet by 10 feet and 8 feet tall. That's 800 cubic feet of space. It's the perfect size for storing the contents of a one-bedroom apartment, such as a bed, a small appliance, small furniture, as well as miscellaneous items like sports gear, holiday decorations, or winter outerwear. Your 10 by 10 storage unit can store your items while going home from college for the summer or inventory for your small business. People who rent the size storage unit usually find the use of a 12-foot moving truck helpful in moving items into storage. You'll find what you need at CubeSmart, with nationwide locations offering storage units of various sizes, climate-controlled storage options, drive-up access, and vehicle storage, all at competitive storage prices. Whether you're decluttering or simply making a positive change, we're here to offer a fresh start with the best customer service in the self-storage industry, a clean building, and providing peace of mind that you have chosen the right self-storage company. Our team of award-winning customer service professionals is waiting to welcome you and help you determine the storage options that are right for you. Because at CubeSmart, it's what's inside that counts.